Hi my people, welcome once again to Rocks and Vibes. Hello everyone. Today we are making baked pineapple ginger chicken. Guys, you must wash your meat. I am using sour orange, lemon and a little salt. You must clean and wash your meat. Here are my ingredients. I have Maggie all-purpose, Maggie chicken, Cajun all-purpose, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, my green seasoning. For my pineapple ginger sauce, I have pineapple juice, I have ginger, I have ketchup, I have bell pepper, I have onion, garlic, mustard gravy, and rice vinegar. I wash and clean my meat, so guys, I am pot drying it right now to start adding my season. I am adding my dry herbs now. I'm going to add my beautiful green seasons, scallion, thyme, bell pepper, onion, cilantro, parsley, all those good stuff. So I'm going to give my chicken a rub. I am going to add some fresh grated ginger to my chicken. I want the chicken to have the ginger flavor. I put parchment paper on my baking sheet. I'm going to add a little bit of oil, just a small amount of olive oil on my parchment paper to add my chicken. Guys, my oven going to be on 375 degrees. I am putting the chicken on one side for 35 minutes. Then I'm going to turn it and give it another 35 minutes. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. Press that notification bell to get notified when I put out a video. If you're a return subscriber, continue to share with friends and family. Leave a comment. Tell a friend Rocks and Vibes, and a friend tell a next friend Rocks and Vibes. Guys, I need subscriber. Thank you. Chicken looking good and ready to go in the oven. So guys, I'm going to place this bad boy in the oven for 35 minutes. So guys, I am preparing my pineapple ginger sauce for my chicken. So I had some olive oil in my skillet just now. For my pineapple ginger sauce, I have rice vinegar, I have gravy master, I have some diced pineapple, some pineapple juice, some ginger, brown sugar, ketchup, bell pepper, onion, and garlic. Guys, the gravy master is optional. You don't have to use the gravy master. Some people use soy sauce, but I prefer gravy master just to give my sauce a little color. I don't want it to be too white. But use what you have, use what you like. Gravy master is what I like. We are adding our gravy master for color, just a small amount. I just turned my chicken, guys. I am putting it back inside for the next 35 minutes. You must taste what you're cooking to make sure it have the taste and flavor that you like. So guys, I'm adding some Maggie all-purpose and some pink salt. So guys, I'm gonna let it simmer and come to a gravy. Guys, you can use any vinegar of your choice, anyone you have. I am using some rice vinegar to add to my gravy. I took my chicken from the oven. I drained the excessive water. Guys, I'm gonna place my pineapple ginger sauce on the chicken and put it back in the oven for 20 minutes. Look at my nice pineapple ginger glaze for my chicken. It looks so beautiful. Wow. So guys, I'm adding it on the chicken and we're going to put back the chicken in the oven for 20 minutes. I cannot wait. We are back, my people. Look at my chicken. Look at this beautiful color. It looks so delicious. This is mouth-watering. I will list all my ingredients in description. Let me know if you enjoyed this video, and if you did enjoy it, remember to share with friends and family. So guys, I'm gonna plate this bad boy and come right back. Here is my finished product. Let me know what you think, and remember to share with friends and family and leave me a comment. Tell a friend. Rocks and vibes. Thank you all for watching. See you soon.